Hey now, it's Music Therapy Laz here on a Sunday family day, I guess you could call it. I'm hanging out with my sweetie. She needs a little Laz time too, you know. We're at the mall here in Walnut Creek, and I'm checking out this thing. What the heck is that? It's like a little rocket car. It's actually a one-person car. Check that out. You have enough for one bag for one person. You do get two doors. It's got a little unicorn kind of horsey thing going on in there on the. Yeah, it's a one-person car here. Solo. Not Han Solo, just car solo. Check it out. Tiny. I thought it was the first flying car, but not yet. Making the guy laugh here. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking though, I gotta say. I'm not sure, that doesn't look like a blower or any kind of like supercharger under the engine there. I'm assuming that's some kind of radar thing. So that it drives you. Does it drive you? Does it drive you places? Like
yeah, it's a fully electric motorcycle is what it is.
It's basically a car body surrounding a motorcycle. That's what I guessed. And yeah. What kind of stroke engine does it have? Like, is it electric?
It's all electric, yeah.
All electric.
Uses a 17.3 kilowatt hour battery, so make about 55 horsepower, 105 pounds.
Nice. Not bad.
Top speed is 80 miles an hour, 0 to 60 about 9 seconds.
That's pretty damn good. Dang. And the tires are like normal tires you can buy anywhere?
The auto wheels.
Normal automotive mobile wheels. And do they tip over?
No, it's very safe. Very safe.
I have to ask, because just looking at it, I'm like, if you take a tight turn going at 80 miles an hour?
The car actually has no body roll at all. It's very
No
flat.
body roll. Wow.
It's very flat.
And is that like a bull, or is that a unicorn bull combo?
It's an old logo.
Ah.
Yeah. Logo from the old company that was back in 1959.
Wow.
Mechanica. That was the original company, and then the son founded this company in 2015.
Wow,
we still
man.
own that company, but that's where the whole comes from.
That's very, so it's Italian.
Yeah, originally it was an Italian company. It's a Canadian company now.
Canadian now.
Yeah,
with
to be Canada.
with Italian roots.
Yeah.
Right on. Well, most people in Canada are from somewhere else too.
Yeah.
So just like here in America.
It
Right?
was a Canadian immigrant, and the guy was originally from, I think, Czechoslovakia, and his wife was from Hungarian.
I was gonna ask, what was the last name?
It was Reisner.
Okay, because I'm Hungarian.
It's Frank Reisner.
Frank Reisner.
His son and the co-founder of the company, his name is Henry Reisner.
Wow, so I'm Hungarian too. So my family all came from Hungary.
Yeah.
So then when you said Czechoslovakia, I was curious because a lot of people in Czechoslovakia from Hungary.
Yeah, his wife was Czechoslovakian.
Wow.
He was Hungarian.
Very cool.
Right here if you'd like to take one
Yeah,
of these.
oh, absolutely. Thank you so much. Check that out. The Hungarians did it again. They created the first auto motorcycle car thingy that doesn't fly yet, but someday they're gonna have. They promised us jetpacks, you know, when we were kids. They promised us flying cars. Maybe another 20 years out, maybe sooner. You know, really cool. Well, thank you very much. I had to show you guys this. I'm shooting a quick little video for my channel, so hope you guys enjoy this little quick video today, and see you guys later. Out.